was in the hospital with a diagnosis of pneumonia, and the x-ray tech brings me a picture of my x-ray and says, "Your heart is about 2 times the size that it should be." Moments later, I got my diagnosis of congestive heart failure. My first thoughts went to my family, my friends, my soon-to-be wife, my kids. Then, my mother. I wanted to be able to take care of them, and I couldn't do that while I was sick.
The essential problem that Darnell had was lack of blood flow around the body. We initially thought that we would be able to treat this with medicines. This didn't really work very well. So we decided to implant a left ventricular assist device, otherwise known as an LVAD, to see if we can circulate blood around his body better. Our thought with his condition was to use the LVAD as a bridge to transplant.
Having that heart pump that's connected to you all the time, it's tough to get around. It's a hard thing to do. Luckily, I had amazing nurses. They always came to me as a person, not a number, and they spoke to me like I had been their friend for forever.
Dee is a tremendous part of our lives here and why we continue to just try to do the very best we can to help people progress and get back to their families.
Nurses like Janet is what Florida Hospital is all about. They're the people that you want around you when you're feeling your worst. When I was close to leaving with my heart pump, me and Katie sat down and we had another talk like we always do. We'd always talked about being together forever and getting married. So right there in my hospital room, I slowly got down on one knee and asked her to marry me. There was a nurse in the room, and the nurse told the lead nurse, and the lead nurse told the chaplain, and then all of a sudden, this is happening, and it's happening now. And we were married right there in the chapel at Florida Hospital. It was the best day of my life. Around 2 months later, I got my phone call to receive my heart.
We're blessed. We're blessed for the amazing individuals in the transplant team, for the nurses, for doctors. Even more blessed to have this heart.
I'm thankful for all of you, every single person in that building.
You're always so kind, and I appreciate everything you've done for our family.